Hey folks, what's going on? We're going to go through a quick tutorial of Shareasale and how to grab your first affiliate link through their portal. First thing, you'll make sure to log in and go to the affiliate login, add in your information. Let's get to it. We're not going to go through any reporting or any of these tools. I find the easiest way to do this is just go to search merchants. Put in the keyword that you want. I'm going to use fractal alerts because I made this program. And then over here on the right, you're going to see get links. If you haven't joined the program, this will be a join the program link. You're going to grab your link and you'll have options of text links and custom links. We're going to go over that in a second. Just grab the HTML and grab everything in between these parentheses here. Cut. Open up a new tab. Dial that in and boom, that's your affiliate tracking link at work. Now all of those sales that come from your link are going to be tracked back to you. Now you're going to go back to this dashboard. If you have a deep link that you want to use, this is the place to use it. Put that deep link in here, create the custom link, and it's going to pop you up a new link that you can use to deep link to whatever page on that merchant's website that's going to credit you for a sale. All right, that's it for me, folks. Good luck out there.